All right, Mary, which one did you braid and which one do you think everybody should vote for?
Mine.
That one right there, that's yours. All right, which one did Jason braid and which one should people not vote for?
Would be like this
Show
one?
them which one is yours.
Big
Hide
one?
the other one. There we go.
The big one?
Mary's, there you go. That one's Mary's. All right. Or should we hang Jason's? There we go.
Little one?
The little one or the big one? Which one do you want?
The big one?
All right, there we go.
Cheese! Ears of corn! You know you're a rich one. Alright, just tie it off on the top of my head.
Okay, so this video is not done. Obviously, the audience needs to come and vote on which one we should hang up, and that's the way we'll close the video. All right, so get to it. Which one are we hanging up? Mary's over here, or mine
Ears of
over
corn.
here? To the camera and say, "Hey, Mom, I made a corn video."
Corn video. How do I say that? My mommy would appreciate me making corn videos. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you time in a knot? Can you time in a bow?